Friends, hope you're all healthy and happy. The topic that this lesson is going to cover is a little different because we will put the words from the previous lessons and connect them into sentences and learn how to sign complete sentences in order to communicate and converse with others. Step by step and slowly, we will learn to sign full sentences. Okay? We have selected a few sentences, so let us now see how to sign basic sentences when we meet deaf people and when we want to communicate without hesitation. How to start a basic conversation is what we will learn now. Hello, nice to meet you. So we will sign meet you and good. Remember, when you're signing sentences, the most important thing is the facial expressions. The signs plus the expression is what gives the meaning. Let's go to the next sentence. What is your name? So we will sign your name and what? You have learned this sentence already, but some sentences will be signed differently now and you will understand. The third sentence is I am deaf. We'll just sign deaf, one who cannot hear or speak. So just point to the ear and mouth with single finger or two fingers. I am deaf. The next question would be, what do you do? Do what? So the question has to be in the expression you show. What do you do? The next one, the fourth one, is done. So the fifth sentence is answer to what do you do? I am a student, or I have a job, or I work, or I am a homemaker. I stay at home. Different answers could be given. You have already learned these signs, so you could add, to me, I am a doctor, I am a nurse, I am an engineer, I am a teacher. You could add any of these words to that. Where are you from? Or the sentence could be, where is your house? This is a sentence we have already finished learning. Place from would be, where are you from? The next sentence is number 7. Sign language, little know, would be, for I know a little bit of sign language. Next, you are signing very fast. Could you please slow down? Please, could you sign slow? You are signing very fast. Please, I request you to sign slow. The next one is, please repeat. I don't understand what you signed. Could you please sign again? Please, could you sign again? Yes, I understand. Or, sorry with an S, I don't understand. Understand not for I don't understand. Let's go back and take a look at lesson 23 and 27, which we had done earlier, where some simple sentences had been signed, so that you can compare and see the similarities and differences so that you can understand better. What is your name?
My name is Priya.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Kishore.
How are you?
I am fine.
Where is your house?
My house is in Ulloor.
Which color do you like?
I like green.
What animal is this?
This is an elephant.
What is this?
This is a flower.
What time is it?
It is 9 in the morning. The time is 7 p.m.
How much is this? Or what does this cost?
This costs rupees 3,000. This ornament costs rupees 5 lakhs.
These few sentences that we have selected help us in communicating with deaf people. Some of the signs that we had learned in our previous lessons will be connected into simple sentences so that we can learn how to communicate. Keep practicing. Thank you all. We'll see you shortly. Bye bye. Please don't forget to check the description box below. We have linked the videos on this topic there so that at a click you will be able to watch the missed videos and continue to learn. Thank you.